Hi, I'm Chris Ravenscroft, and I own Koberlein Environmental. Thank you for checking out another one of our videos. We've been cleaning residential septic tanks since 1960, so many of you think of us as a residential pumping company, but that's only about half of our business. Part of our other half of our business are the grease trap cleaning services we provide to food production facilities and restaurants. If you have grease traps, you know that they can be a problem. If they back up, it can affect your production. It could obviously affect your restaurant experience for your diners. Who wants that smelly grease on the floor, right? One of the things that we've gotten very good at is scheduling service according to our customers' needs, before hours, third shift, whatever your needs are. And we have 2 of these units that we send out with 2 technicians on a site trailer with a grease storage tank, so we can handle multiple traps at your restaurant or at your facility. We also have dialed in maintenance schedules with our customers based upon their particular needs. Larger facilities, we may clean monthly. Smaller facilities, quarterly or twice a year. That's input that we take from your production managers, from your operators, in order to provide you the most cost-effective service possible. If we can help you answer any questions you have on pricing or talk about other details associated with this service, give us a call. Our number in Honesdale is 570-253-3660. You can always reach us online at Koberlein.com. Leave us a comment below. We appreciate you taking the time to check out our video. Thank you.